Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to remove copyright strike on YouTube channel. If you are give it to someone are using your video and you receive copyright strike, your content are using third person, so you can provide them as a copyright strike and you can retract also copyright strike. It's a very simple tips and tricks how to do it. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply here is my YouTube channel. Copyright, under the copyright section here some of the matching contents are available. This is a YouTuber, he is also using my same video. I am give it to him also copyright strike, but look at this here, second number video, he is using my video. So look at this, his YouTube channel video link is here and here is my original video contents. So look at this here, starting 0 to 5.10 and starting 0 to 5.10. now I already provide him to copyright strike, but he writing a email and requesting I already delete this video and you remove the copyright strike. So how you remove the copyright strike? You just simply type here retract my claim on copyright from YouTube team. As a subject point of view you can write this one and write this simple email: hi YouTube team, I am here retrieve my copyright strike because of YouTuber are already delete this video. So his YouTube channel link and his video link, and here is my original video content link, and you just type your claimer and retractor name of Research Rocks and your personal name. So these are the 3 points are important to write them and then send it to the email. So at least one day or within a half an hour they are sending me email, just only 40 minutes ago. Thank you for your message, we are process and retraction, and then they are remove the copyright strike for this person. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.